Welcome back, you guys. 4th of July, okay, let's talk sides. My favorite, a staple, is a coleslaw. But tonight I'm gonna show you how to make an Asian coleslaw. Nothing traditional about it, but tons of flavor, tons of zing, so let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
I find that traditional coleslaw, the mayonnaise base, is just too heavy, so I like to keep it light, but keep it full of flavor. Let's start out with talking about your coleslaw base. Right here I have some shredded purple cabbage, some shredded green cabbage, some shredded carrots. I even threw in some kale. I had some kale lying around. It's good. You want vegetables though that are strong, that are more dexterous. Is that the right word? Dexterous? I think so. Dexterity. That'll hold up to this dressing that we're gonna put on, because coleslaw is served wet, so it can't just fall apart. That's why radishes are great. Broccoli, raw broccoli is even great if you slice it nice and thin. Perfect. Peppers work too. I know they're a fruit, but peppers will work too. So that's sort of mix. Honestly though, if you want to save it, if you want to be easy, just buy the pre-packaged coleslaw mix. Whatever, no one's gonna know. Yes, it tastes better if you cut everything up yourself, but if you're in a rush, if you're in a pinch, boom, buy the bags. There you go, you're chilling. Now, let's talk about the dressing. This is where it comes in. This is where we get those big, bold Asian flavors. It's gonna start off with some fresh ginger. Thumb-sized piece of ginger that's been finely minced into a paste. And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of sriracha and a little bit of soy sauce. We have a little bit of spicy, a little bit of salty, and that goes in there. Now we counter that spice though. Right here, we have some sugar. Next, sesame oil. This is very strong, so we're only going in with a little bit, just a touch, like a maybe teaspoon, 2 teaspoons max. Look, you can already smell it. I love the smell of it, but it's powerful. Rice wine vinegar, this is our twang. A good amount of rice wine vinegar is gonna go in. To still have that creaminess of a good coleslaw, I have some peanut butter. But don't use like your Skippy or your Jif, the peanut butter, a lot of sugar, the highly processed stuff. No, get a good, all natural, creamy, that's very fresh. Peanut butter, it's gonna taste much better. About 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is gonna go in there. And then we just whisk until that's all combined. Where's my whisk? Here we go. Start slow, I don't wanna fucking make a mess. Just go until it's combined. It's that easy, it's that easy. You're just making a simple dressing. Now, let's give it a try. Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Honestly, this is the best way to make coleslaw. I have never gone back to a traditional coleslaw since I started making it this way. People will love it too. It surprises people. They go, what is this? What the fuck is this? I haven't had something like this before. Guess what? Showstopper, showstopper. And now, very easy. We take it, we put it in this bowl. I have to adjust my camera so that people can actually see what's going on. Give me a second. Now it wants to fall on me. For once, just work. Pour in that dressing all over it, and then just toss. That's it, and then we're gonna let this sit for a few hours. You don't wanna eat it right away. It's not like a salad. It sits better when it sits. Better when it has time to absorb in there. You want it to be wet. Don't be afraid of serving it when it's wet and full of this stuff. I'm gonna add in some sesame seeds, because why not? Beautiful, and then some chopped nuts. I know I have some cashews. Are you kidding me? Rob, did you eat all my cashews? Damn it, that kid. Oh, I'm not gonna yell at him. If you have some chopped nuts, if your little brother doesn't eat all your nuts, chopped nuts in here, delicious. A little bit more crunch. Oh, beautiful. It's gonna be even better tomorrow, but I can't wait that long. It's a late night already. It just has that It has that. Like I said, once you make it this way, you'll never go back. It tastes like nothing you've ever had before in a coleslaw, but yet everything that you've had in the coleslaw at the same time. So that same traditional creamy coleslaw you're used to, that's still there, but the flavor is completely different. You have all those nice Asian flavors. You have that saltiness from the soy sauce. You have that richness from the peanut butter, and you have that that freshness from the ginger, and then that zing comes in. A lot of people do this, they're like, I don't like coleslaw. Nobody's gonna say that about this one. Nobody's gonna say that about this one. Nobody. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for tonight's episode. That's a simple Asian coleslaw, but there's nothing simple about that flavor. I'll see you next time. I'm Donny. Peace.